Them for know the Dan, you know, the man, you know, the one, you know. Right now, me have a
Chaddy TV.
Chaddy TV, and we said check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know. You see me?
On YouTube, you know. Come in, say YouTube, that YouTube, and such YouTube. Yo.
Yeah. Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
Ricky Chopper said.
It's exploding right now.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People are going. I hope everybody have a good day and I hope everybody have a good time. But I hate to interrupt your good time because right now I'm going to share one video with you. It's kind of disturbing to some viewers. I mean, some people are going to look upon it and I said, damn, these kids nowadays. Yo, John was star. Them a crap a pitney where them a make nowadays. How where them come from? Cause when me dey a little you, me never stay so. Anyhow. Make we watch the video here and then we have a little discussion, right? Alright. See the video here. Zane and this happening a poor than two. Prominent high school.
Well, hold on, I will stop you now. Are you on the free for your bitch? You think you're your man, I'm afraid of nobody. My way of flying at the accent, I'm in front of your mother. She didn't write that, so touch me. So you push her to hospital for 9 months. Bitch.
Boy, people, it not look good at all. And I don't even know who me should have cussed or me don't know who me should have said the blame. Me don't really know how it start. Me don't know. But what I do know, apparently, the aggressor is a parent. And the other girl look like a bully. She a bully for her child. But people, this is what we really want to ask. Is this a way in which a parent should be acting like this? And if you know, say this is going in my hometown, Port Antonio. It don't look right at all. Boy, it look like some of them parents have kids too early because they are still a child. And only one little pitney would have no behave saying a pop fight like that. So people, on a big man level now, put fun and joke aside. I possess the mother they possess. Alright. Your child act up. Zane, make we say the girl when she rush, make we say she a one bully. Zane, and she a rush fear child. That are the mother child. That is a good way to go about solving it. When your daughter see them things they know, she not go feel like say fighting is okay. You see me? At the end idea, she not go probably stab up one next pitney one I time. Jesus Christ, oh my Lord. It not look good. At the first me ever see one mother a carry on and a behave so. This not look good at all. Me never know. Yo, somehow want to pitney still, you know. Because a pitney, me have to call you because you're acting like a child. Somehow a little pitney. We don't have pitney too early. So children, I have children. And people want to comment in the comment section and tell me if I'm wrong. Tell me if I'm foolish me attack. But right now, the whole of them right there so act like the same age. Including the mother. No, my word. Jesus, peace. Will you tell me in the comment section what you think? You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, remember, I'll be streaming live on Monday, this and every Monday at 8 o'clock. You see me? So it's 8 o'clock, JA time. You can't miss it. And like how me I tell you right now, and most likely you have your phone in your hand or at the right side of you or in your pocket. Just take it out now and set your alarm. You see me? Set one alarm for that day there. If you know, say if you tune in. Tune in to the Chaddy More TV. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And I'm out. And please, please, please. Any parents that watch this, please try solve issues and conflict in a better way. I'm out. Where it stop button? Me never know. I want to see this. I'm gone.